Hey, it's Nancy Juetten. Your special report, the 10 things to do to make sure you're never invited back as a podcast guest, is winging its way to your inbox right this very minute. Be sure to check junk, promo, or spam folders just in case it lands there by mistake. It's a cheeky, fun report that's got some pretty good sarcastic suggestions about the kinds of mistakes that people make unwittingly that they should stop doing as soon as possible, especially if they want to get invited back. I think the bigger question is what is it that you want to speak up on podcasts about so that top hosts can't wait to book you? And I'm excited to share that on September 8th, I'll be leading a special live workshop where we're going to dial that in so that you can be confident, convicted, and ready to share your message at a moment's notice and get booked on the shows that are right for you. Click on the link below to read about the Done, Dialed, and Designed workshop coming up soon and claim your place. I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be great, and anything less simply is not good enough. I'm Nancy Juetten. I will see you soon.